Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and do activity 1.2.4, drawing 1. She should be starting here pretty soon. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a sketch. I'm going to sketch it on this plane here. I'm going to just drag out a generic rectangle, and then I will dimension it accordingly. I want that to be 1 inch, and hit enter. And I want this to be 3.5 inches. I'll hit enter. I'm going to go ahead and hit finish sketch. Now I'm going to come up, I'm going to extrude that to see the height of the object. The height of the object is 2.5 inches. Nice. Now I'm going to start adding these holes. So I'm going to go ahead and sketch a circle to do this hole. I'm going to put a circle on here, and the circle is going to be 0.5, and then it is going to be dimensioned. From the center of the circle to that edge is going to be 0.75, and from the center of the circle to this edge is going to be 1/2, 0.5. I'm going to go ahead and hit finish sketch, and then I'm going to extrude that circle as a cut. I'll just drag it down there like that. Hit OK. Alright, so I have that one done. I'm now going to now I'm going to put in this other hole here, so I'll sketch. I'm going to just draw the hole on this, or draw the circle on this face. I'm going to go ahead and put a circle there, and that circle is going to be 1.5 in diameter. And then I will place it from here to here. And that distance is going to be 1.5. And this distance from here to here is going to be 1.5. And then I will finish my sketch and extrude that. See, that makes it pretty easy. So that is drawing 1 for 1.2.4.